I'm at a job today in Oyster Bay. Basically the customer is getting some cladding done on this wall, and they've got one old Optus cable set up here. They've got two Telstra leading cables, and they've also got a Foxtel aerial cable coming down. Now they want all this stuff removed because it's just in the way, and they're not using it anymore. They're over onto HFC now, so today is just basically just a bit of a clean up for these people. Now the only thing I need to be careful of is this house is asbestos, this stuff here. So today I'm going to be careful, put a mask on when I'm pulling this stuff off, because I don't want to get asbestosis. So yep, here we go. So today I've got to suit up because working with asbestos.
This is a disposable suit. Once I'm done with it, just chuck it in the bin. You want to take this home to kids and family. So, safety first. And then nothing.
Goodbye Optus cable. Goodbye Telstra 2-pair aerial leading cable. Goodbye second 2-pair aerial leading cable, which is much older. Now I just left with the Foxtel HFC cable. I'll clean all this up here at the site. Okay, that's it. I mean, it's been removed there. Much neater now. Now they can clad the house and put cladding straight over the top. And now I'm going to go up and remove these old cables and get those. And now the slack here and the cables that have been cut there, we're going to remove those from the pole. Okay, now that's it. Now they've just got the one MBN cable going down to their property. All out of the mess is gone. Happy customer.